Very good morning to all of you, my dear friends. This is Shafiq Ahmed, and you're all welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, Let's Learn Together. So, welcome back to all of you, my dear students. This is the second chapter from history that we are going to start today. And what is the name of the chapter? The earliest people. That is really quite interesting. The earliest people. We are going to learn a lot about the earliest people. We are going to learn a lot about the earliest people over here. Earlier man was a hunter gatherer. Hunter gatherer means people were doing a lot of thing. They were just hunting and gathering the food and different items for their survival. So earlier man was a hunter gatherer. Both two things are written over here. Man was hunter, means man was hunting the animals, and even man was collecting the foods also. Suppose the many fruits have fallen down in the ground, or the earlier man was going climbing up the trees also to collect the foods, and they were even collecting food from the forest also. So earlier man was gatherer, as well as they were hunting the animals. They were killing the animals, they were killing them and eating their meat, using their skins. Everything was going on in the earlier period also. Hunting as well as gathering, two features of earlier man has been mentioned over here, my dear students, that earlier man was hunter as well as gatherer also. Now let us move ahead. It means that he moved from place to place in search of food. Hunter gatherer means the people were moving from one place to another place for what? In search of food. They were not staying at the same position, at the same place for long time. They were just staying there for short period of time. Wherever they were getting mood, they wherever they were getting food, they were just moving to that particular place. The earlier man fully depended on nature for all his needs. Means the earlier man was not able to make something from their own. They cannot, they were not able to grow crops also. They were not knowing how to grow rice, how to grow crops, how to grow wheat. They were not knowing all these things. So that is the reason why that earlier man was depending on the nature for all of their need. जितनी भी जरूरत है सबके लिए किस पर वो डिपेंड करते थे? नेचर पर. नेचर मीन्स व्हाट? द अलमाइटी. Means they were just depending on the god for everything, on the environment, whatever they were getting in the environment in and around their place. They were just depending on those things, because they were not knowing to create, to manufacture, to grow. They were not knowing all these things, because earlier man was not so advanced that the man of this age is so advanced. So we will compare later on. Earlier man was also a nomad. Nomad means what? The people who used to move from one place to another place. They do not settle at the same place for a long time. So these people are known as nomad. So earlier man was nomad. He traveled great distances. बहुत दूर तक जाते थे वो. For what? To find food. They used to travel from one state to another state, from one city to another city. There were no cities. Actually, there were no city, no state also. So they were not knowing that where are they going. They were even not knowing the path. They were not knowing the road, but they were just moving for what? For to search food, है ना? खाने की तलाश में they were just searching. Later on, the earlier man learned how to fish. He started fishing. धीरे धीरे लोगों ने सीखना शुरू किया. They learned fishing, they hunted, they learned hunting also for wild animals. Means they started killing wild animals for their food also. And later on, they started gathering, food. They started gathering berries, है ना? रेड कलर का होता है, आपने देखा होगा. They started collecting nuts, है ना? बादाम जो है जमीन में गिरा हुआ है वो लोग कलेक्ट करते थे. And earlier man was collecting even wild roots and fruits. Roots यानी the roots of the plant they were using to eat, and even the fruits they were eating. So earlier man was just depending on the nature for all their work, for all their necessities, for all their needs. They were all depending on the nature. Later on, they learned fishing, they learned hunting, they learned many things, and they started collecting their food also. So later on, but it was not in the beginning, my dear students. So we have learned about the early men, what they were doing. Let us move ahead, and let us learn more about them. Why did early man move frequently? Mean that is the question that many of the students were asking me. that why they were moving frequently means jaldi jaldi वो लोग क्यों move करते थे एक जगह से दूसरी जगह, why they were moving. So there are few reasons. I will give you 4 reasons over here. You can see in the screen also 4 dots. Reason number one, why they were moving from one place to another place after a short span of time. Reason number one, if he stayed at one place for a long time, all the available food would have been eaten up. अगर वो लोग बहुत देर तक, बहुत डेरी टाइम तक, बहुत दिन तक एक ही जगह रहेंगे, then they will eat all the available food of that place, है ना. Suppose if they are living in Gaya, all the people, all the early people, then if they are living for here for 1 month, so in 1 month they will eat up all the food available in Gaya. So next time they will have to move to other place. That is the reason. Now that's why they were moving from one place to another place. One at when they find that at a particular place all the food have been finished, then they used to move to other place so that they can have food, because they don't know how to grow, how to create, how to manufacture. They were not knowing. That's why they were moving from one place to another place. They are finishing up the food at one place and they are moving to the next place to search for food. Number one. Number two reason, animals move from place to place in search of grass and water. Early man who was a hunter, they had to follow their movements, because we also know that early man was a hunter also. They were hunting, they were killing the wild animals. So wild animals, they were moving in search of their food, in search of water. Those wild animals were moving from one place to another place. So this early man was following them. Early man was also following them to kill them and to eat their meat. So early man was moving in search of the animals. Wherever the animals were going, this early man was also following them. That is also one of the reason why those early men were moving from one place to another place after a short span of time. Next, plants and trees bear fruits in different seasons. We all know that that apple tree does not give apple throughout the year. We know that it gives only apple during this season, during this particular summer season we can get apples. So plants and trees were also giving fruits, and sometimes they were not giving fruits. So early man had to move in search of different fruit and other plant products. Means if early man wanted to eat apple, then they will have to go to that place only where they can find the apple, where they find some specific particular fruits or any other plant products they want to search. So they were also searching for different fruits and different plants. So that's why also they were moving from one place to another place to search their food, their favorite food. And the next reason is what? People, plants, animals, they need water to survive. Yes, that is most important, my dear students. We all need water to survive. So people, plants, animals, everyone need water. So wherever they get water, they were moving. All rivers are not perennial. Perennial means permanent. Rivers जितने भी होते हैं वो permanent नहीं हो जाते, कभी ना कभी वो सूख जाते हैं. The river end up, the river used to get vanished. It used to dry up when you will use all the water, or when there is no rain for long years, for 5 years, 2 years, 3 years, then that particular river used to dry up. So people will have to move from that particular place in search of water also. So people living on the banks of seasonal rivers means those river which used to fill up during monsoon season, during rainy season. So people, they used to move after rainy season from that particular place when there is no water. So the people who were living near that particular river, or on the banks of the, or on the corner, or on the edge of that particular seasonal rivers, they used to move after the water is no more in the river. They used to move in search of water during the dry seasons, such as right now. समर सीजन में बहुत सारे रिवर जो है वो सूख जाते हैं, ड्राई अप हो जाते हैं. तो उस रिवर के आसपास रहने वाले लोग क्या करेंगे? वो लोग उस जगह को छोड़कर दूसरी जगह चल जाएंगे. सो दे विल मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस इन सर्च ऑफ वाटर आल्सो, माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स. दैट इज द फोर्थ रीजन. It was not easy for early man to hunt. Yes, hunting is not so easy, my dear students. If you want to hunt, you will have to know the skills. You will have to know about the wild animals. You will have to know about the behavior of the wild animals, whether they can attack also. you will have to learn about this one. If they can attack, then you will have to be ready to defend yourself also. You will have to get special weapons in your hand, special thing to defend yourself. You cannot defend a tiger only empty handed. You will have to have such tools. कुछ आपके पास क्या होना चाहिए? Tools, weapons होना चाहिए लड़ने के लिए. To hunt also. So early man needed special skill to hunt and gather food. It was not easy, my dear student, to hunt. हंटिंग करना, शिकारी करना, शिकार करना इतना आसान नहीं होता. आपको शिकार करना सीखना पड़ता है. आपके हाथों में क्या होना चाहिए? औजार होना चाहिए, वेपन होना चाहिए, तो आप हंटिंग कर सकते हैं. He needed a special skill to hunt and gather food. और कलेक्ट करने के लिए, फूड के लिए भी नॉलेज होना चाहिए कि कौन सा फूड कलेक्ट करना है और कौन सा नहीं करना है. You will have to get the knowledge that which food is eatable and which food is not eatable. So you will have to know about the different type of food also. To hunt, he had to have proper tools and a quick and alert mind. और mind भी क्या होना चाहिए? Quick, sharp mind होना चाहिए, alert mind होना चाहिए कि अगर कोई एनिमल आपके ऊपर अटैक कर रहा है तो आप डिफेंड करना चाहिए, आपको डिफेंड करना होगा. एंड यू विल हैव टू नो अबाउट द, you will have to get the knowledge of the animals also whom you are going to hunt. Means if you are going to kill a tiger, if you are going to kill a cow or a buffalo or a sheep, then you must know about the sheep, you must know about the buffalo before hunting such animal, because you might be attacked, you might be in danger if you don't know about the animal. So that is the thing. The hunting was still not necessary, was not easy, and still it is not easy for fresher people. To gather food, he had to know which food to gather. See, I was telling this one, आपको food collect करना है, gather करना means collect करना है, then you must know ना that which food to collect. कौन सा फूड खाने का है, कौन सा फूड नहीं खाने का है. Some food are having poison also. Some food if you will eat, then your stomach might start paining also. So कुछ ऐसे फूड भी हो सकते हैं जो आपको नहीं खाना चाहिए. So you must have knowledge, you must have the understanding which food to collect. And the knowledge of the season also, you must have the knowledge of the season when he could gather a particular fruit or food. यानी आपके पास ये सीजन का भी नॉलेज होना चाहिए कि कौन से सीजन में आपका कौन सा फूड मिलेगा. इफ यू विल सर्च राइट नाउ इन समर सीजन, इफ यू विल सर्च फॉर सच अ टाइप ऑफ फ्रूट विच इज नॉट अवेलेबल इन समर सीजन, तब तो आप ढूंढते रह जाएंगे, आपको वैसा फूड नहीं मिलेगा जो समर सीजन में नहीं मिलता है. हाँ, इफ यू विल सर्च मैंगो in summer season, you will get it easily. But if you will search another fruit which is not available in summer season, then you cannot search, you will not get, your time will be wasted. So early man must have the knowledge of season also. In short में हम लोग क्या कहेंगे, that early man needed skills and knowledge to hunt also and to collect food also. My dear students, hope you understand this thing. Okay, let us move. So to gather food, he had to know which food to gather, which food to eat, and the knowledge of the season also, that was also needed. And they must know the skill and the knowledge also. No? They must have the skill and the knowledge also that which food to collect and how to kill the animals. Now early man initially used tools such as sticks to dig up wild roots. Now here comes the thing that you are all asking. How did they learn? So early man, they started with sticks, है ना, उन्होंने छड़ी लिया और छड़ी से पहले वो लोग क्या करते थे, they used to dig up the ground and take out the wild roots. They used to dig up, dig मतलब खोदना. छड़ी से वो लोग क्या करते थे, स्टिक से क्या करते थे, खोदते थे. किसको? सॉइल को, है ना, जमीन के अंदर डिग करते थे. एंड दे यूज्ड टू डिग एंड गेट आउट द वाइल्ड रूट्स यानी वो रूट्स जो प्लांट्स को होते हैं, जो जंगली होते हैं, बहुत सारे प्लांट्स जो वाइल्ड प्लांट्स होते हैं जो खाने के लिए नहीं होते हैं. सो दे वर गेटिंग दैट पर्टिकुलर रूट एंड दे वर ईटिंग अप, और वो रूट्स को खा जाते थे. ग्रेजुअली अर्ली मैन स्टार्टेड मेकिंग टूल्स आउट ऑफ स्टोन. और धीरे धीरे फिर लोगों ने क्या किया, अर्ली मैन दे स्टार्टेड मेकिंग टूल्स यानी हथियार बनाना शुरू किया, वेपन बनाना शुरू किया लोगों ने विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्टोन. व्हेन दे फाउंड दैट सम स्टोन आर वेरी पॉइंटेड, देखा कि बहुत सारे स्टोन जब पॉइंटेड है तो उन्होंने क्या किया, उस पर्टिकुलर स्टोन को यूज करने लगे एज ए वेपन. दे स्टार्टेड यूजिंग इट एज ए वेपन. दे नो ओके वी विल, इफ यू विल हैव pointed stone, then we can throw at the animals and we can kill the animals with that stone. So like this they started learning, है ना. उन्होंने pointed stone को मारकर पहले सीखना शुरू किया कि कैसे हम लोग सीख सकते हैं, हंटिंग कैसे कर सकते हैं. Okay, so the early man initiated initially they started making use of tools. Now that led to the beginning of the stone age, when people started using the stones. That the stone age has started from there only, when the people started using the stone. So now we are going to divide the stone age into three different period. stone age को तीन different period में divide करते हैं. Number one, Paleolithic period. Next, Mesolithic period, and that is Neolithic period. There are three stone age period. We have divided the stone age into three different period. Number one, Paleolithic में क्या होता है? The Paleolithic period began about 2 million years ago. 2 million means 20 lakh million years ago. ये Paleolithic age जो है 20 million years पहले start हुआ है, and it lasted till about 10,000 BC, that is before the year of the Jesus Christ, before the year of the Christ, before Christ. तो ये 2 million years पहले start होता है Paleolithic period और Paleolithic age. You can say Paleolithic period started 2 million years back and it stayed up to 10,000 BC, that is before Christ. और Mesolithic उसके बाद start होता है, that is from 10,000 BC to 8,000. You can see over here my student कि BC वाले जो timeline है, BC का timeline वो पीछे जाता है, that it moves backward. इसलिए यहाँ लिखा है 10,000 BC से लेकर 8,000 BC, that is Mesolithic period. और last period कौन सा है? Neolithic period. और Neolithic period कब से कब start होता है? It start from 8,000 BC to 4,000 BC. You can see over here about the timeline over here. Paleolithic period कहाँ से start होता है? 2 million years ago, and from 2 million years ago it lasted to 10,000, and from 10,000 to 8,000 Mesolithic, and 8,000 to 4,000 Neolithic period. Now we will study about each and every period, Paleolithic, Mesolithic and Neolithic, one by one from our next class. That's all today. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care all of you. Hope that you have liked the video, and we will meet again in our next video release of the tutorial. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the information of the next release of the tutorial. Please share it with your friends and others also. Thank you for the time being. Take care. Stay at home. Bye bye. Take care.